guys, welcome back to Adrian's tour review, and we're going to be unboxing the Grossery Gang. Your shopping's gone rotted, and it includes exclusive grocery powered up Dodgey donut, and it's the Grossery Gang versus the Clean Team Putrid Power action figures. Here's the front, guys. Now here's the back. Join the Grossery Gang as they power up to fight the Clean Team in a battle of proportion. And it's Dodgey Donut, aka Rocky. Rock hard and ready to roll. Dodgey Donut is rude, crude, and barley food. Dodgey Donut is a whole lot of trouble with limbs of iced rings. He's a donut who's about to go nuts. When it's time for a dirty battle, he's the one you'll want by your side. This scrappy snack is always round when you need him. Get ready to fight dirty. And here's the characters right here. Blowfly, Vac Attack, Trash Head, Gooey Chewy, Dodgey Donut, Putrid Pizza, Grub So, Squish Banana, and Fungus Fries. So now let's start opening, guys. There. We got Dodgey Donut two sides, scoot everything there. Now let's pop them out. There you guys have them. There's Rocky, the small little Rocky. Put him to the side in front of us. Let's get the nunchucks. And here are his nunchucks. Here's Rocky's nunchucks. Let's put them beside him. And now let's get Rocky out. 1, 2, 3. Now I can put him to the side. And now here's Rocky, guys. Here's the back of him. So his arms can move like this, guys. Like that, guys. And his legs can move. Yeah, come on. Come on, legs. Like this. Like sideways. Like this. Weird kind of leg style. Like this. And you can make them one foot kicking, just like that. And we can have his nunchucks in his hand. So let's just push. Okay. There's Rocky with his nunchucks, guys. So there you guys have it, guys. And thanks for watching, guys. And see you guys next time on Adrian's tour review. Bye! And subscribe and give a big thumbs up, guys. Bye!